So this is my project reflection for assignment 2, part 2. The synthesis for mine is mobile learning is any learning done with portable technology such as laptops, tablets, or smartphones. Number 2, the actual technology is only part of the learning process. Correct applications and extensions are critical in the process as well. So making sure that using it correctly and the applications are correct for the curriculum that you're exploring are critical. Teachers control a big part of how effective mobile learning is, using technology versus integrating technology. So, mobile technology can have a great influence in your classroom or not at all, depending on how you are using it as a teacher. So, making sure that you're integrating it correctly is huge. Mobile learning will continue to be part of education, but will continue to grow and change. I think this one is huge, especially given our times right now and how quickly mobile learning is changing for us every day. I think it will continue to be a part of education, but it's going to change constantly, and especially with what we're going through now, I think it will continue to grow and change. So my takeaways for this are iPads help to support literacy with elementary students. Since I focused on iPads in supporting literacy, that's what I was looking at here. It provides teachers with an exciting way to engage students in literacy. Differentiation becomes easier for teachers with apps that provide lessons at a student level. So it's easier for teachers to differentiate their lessons when they're using apps that actually level the students and allow them to work at their own level and pace. And using apps on the iPads provides students with several different ways to immerse themselves in books, separate from reading them, which would include like retelling and creating their own stories. They can create their own comic books. There's several different retelling apps. So it helps to immerse themselves into the book and become part of the book, just not without just reading it. My takeaway number 2 is mobile learning in the classroom has many benefits. So throughout my research, I found that mobile learning in the classroom does have many different benefits. Some support literacy, others in math. These are opportunities to provide different engagement strategies with our curriculum. So educators are able to really engage the students in different and exciting ways. It also prepares students for the future. Technology is a huge part of our growing world, and so having this type of mobile technology in the classroom helps students to prepare for the future. It also provides students with up-to-date learning, the latest news, the latest data, the latest statistics. With the mobile technology, it really has all of those things at its fingertips, and students are able to stay up to date when researching certain topics. Also, students learn at their own pace. Like I said before, the apps on the iPads allow students to learn at their own level and to learn at their own pace. They're not forced to learn at the pace of the classroom or at the level at which the classroom is learning. It can be more individualized towards their learning. And last but not least, mobile technology makes learning fun, especially iPads for young children. It just helps to engage the students, which makes them want to learn.